Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here with one of Speck's newest case lines for iPhone XR. This is the Presidio Pro. So this case is going to give you 10 feet of drop protection in quite a slimline form factor. It has a nice soft touch finish on it that has a good degree of grip, and this also has antimicrobial protection. So lots to love here. Let's take a closer look at this on my iPhone XR in Coral. Looking at the construction of this case, we have a relatively rigid polycarbonate frame on here that is covered with a soft touch material, has a nice velvety feel underneath the fingertips. It also has a coating which is going to limit the amount of bacteria on here, which is great. Then going to the interior, this is lined with rubber and this Impactium material, which is what Speck credits the 10 feet of drop protection you're going to get with this case. That's those lines there on the edges, kind of like little ridges that you see. Overall, this has a nice feel to it. Seems to be a nicely constructed case and seems like it should provide good protection for your iPhone. So putting your phone in here, very straightforward. Just put in the one side, press it all the way to the one side, and then clip on your corners. Very easy to get on. Once on, we have a nice fit on here, nice protective lip all the way around here. Bit more give over your volume up and down buttons, but really not too bad. I've definitely seen worse. And again, more give over your side button and a little bit of give over the lightning port area, but really not bad at all. Overall, this is a very nice tight-fitting case on here. Lots of lip with this case, very protective for your screen, really like that. And I do have a screen protector on here, but it is a plastic screen protector and not very thick, so this is really not doing much to limit the amount of lip that we have on here. But overall, lots of lip on this case, should be very protective, gives you tons of lay on the table design. Looking at our port openings, these are nicely positioned and nicely sized. You should be able to fit many third-party lightning cables in here, although you might be doing that less than you otherwise would because, of course, this case does support wireless charging. So going around to the sides, really like the amount of grip that we have on here. It's a low to medium grip, I would say. I think it also depends on whether you have sweaty hands, not sweaty hands, etc. But basically, it's a soft touch grip that, to me, gives us just enough grip so it feels secure in the hand and not so much that it's harder to slide in and out of pockets or handbags. Really a nice feeling case by Speck. So going up here, we have rubber covered buttons, very clicky, very responsive, no problems there. And it's very easy to get to your mute switch. Going up to the top, not much going on there. And then going over here again to your rubber covered side button, very responsive. Looking at the back of the case, this material here has a lovely soft touch feel to it, as previously mentioned. Feels almost velvety underneath the fingertips and gives you a nice low to mid amount of grip. Feels very secure in the hand. This does support wireless charging without any problems. This material, to me, I'm not noticing any fingerprints or scratching issues, although I did read in a forum that one user was having issues with his Presidio Pro being fingerprinty. So I don't really know what's going on with that, because the two Presidio Pros that I have, one of them is for the iPhone XS Max in a light purple color, and the other one being this red color for iPhone XR. Neither of them has any issues showing fingerprints. So this may have something to do with color, or it may just be a different manufacturing lots. But anyway, mine has no problem in that area. Really nice feeling case underneath the fingertips. We have some Speck Presidio Pro branding up here. Then we have also plenty of protection for the protruding camera. And then finally, of course, we do have this antimicrobial coating on here, which is going to limit the amount of bacteria that reproduces on your case. It's not going to eliminate it, but it's going to reduce it. And let's face it, phones live filthy lives, so any effort in that direction is probably a positive thing. So overall, I think this is a great case for iPhone XR. You've got a nice slim form factor, nice feel in the hand, antimicrobial protection, and 10 feet of drop protection. Lots to love about the Presidio Pro by Speck for iPhone XR. Again, we've been looking at the Speck Presidio Pro for iPhone XR. This case is available directly from Speck as well as from other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $39.95. Comes in a total of 7 colors. I will put links below where you can find out more about it. Many thanks to the kind folks at Speck for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this case, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and I will do my very best to address them. And if you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great case and accessory reviews reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with the Speck Presidio Pro for iPhone XR. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.